Skhim umbam kabahe hapo Nongstoin kabalatip rukum ka Nongstoin Urban Water Supply Scheme kaban sa penbiang yaki kan reutili kishnong hapo kasor Nongstoin kalapoy kabenta ban Pyndep no ha kabakate ka jing pentre kate ka scheme kalapoy hadu prapsan hadu kandai 4%. Ha kasingi balang jong katayo na kalyang jong katana PHE kami Stansha Construction bat kakirlos ka Brother Limited kila penlong ikijing persyang bantes ya ko na do ka intik well kabadon haken ro bat ben penpoy hadu ka reservoir ka bahanong jeli bat katkum ka jingkam juginong trei kumju engineer jong katansha company kapa pentre katika scheme kalong shisha ka job. Nakabenta kate kajing persyang kabaningkong bantes ya kapam kabalawan ra company na Calcutta kakilos ka Brother Limited ha kabakate ka company kalapayo Subbasis Chakraborty o associate manager bat engineer ban pet ya kajing shna bat ban penbit penbiang ya kite gipam katkum kajing ya kran bat Subbasis ulaong baka pom ladep ban shna bat ladep ban penbit penbiang kanang baka kan yat bet shadu syakatop kabadon ha ponong jeli Ula ongru baka kirlos ke company kadai company kabala jutre na kabenta ki project ki bahe ba ha ka baki pom jong kate company kila ban ne hadu lai phau ne sau phos nam kinong tre bar engineer jong katansha company ka pentre kate ka scheme kila ong baka te ka jing persyang ban test ning kong i kate ka kalong shisha ka ba job ha ka baki engineer bar kinong tre jong ka kila penbit penbiang Kumban syupen kan mau, katay ka scheme ha Nongstoin kadai ka jingtre ka balas lembha, ha ka jinglut ka bashi spa lai pulai bon kandai psau klur tingka, bar ka jing pos ne jong kipat ba abanu I ka jing Pyndep jong ka kan so urlong shen.
I am from Kirloskar Brothers Limited.
And designation in
Designation, I am actually associate manager, engineering service division for this project through that contractor, the Statia Construction. Okay. Now I came here for this commissioning and reporting purpose, how it is being testing purpose. If it will be tested successfully, then it will be commissioned. Okay.
Yeah.
After this is the raw water compounds. This water will go to the WTP and WTP, their water treatment plant will work for supplying that water to whatever your areas are there. Actually, these pumps are having some technical features.
Okay.
You are from something different from that normal domestic or normal pumps.
Okay.
That tailor-made pumps.
Okay.
Some design, some engineering is something different. Okay. Now let's.
How long can it run? What is his capacity of this pump?
This pump is up to 360 cubic meter per hour, meaning 1 hour it will deliver 360 cubic meter water.
Okay.
Okay, with a capacity of with the capacity, there is some pressure also.
Okay.
This pressure is required to transfer that water to your WTP because that height is more. I think 119 meter height from this area to that area.